You have built a killer e-commerce store, your products are on point, your marketing campaigns running strong. But let me ask you, why are local customers still walking right past your brand without noticing you exist? Welcome to the invisible problem no one's talked about enough, local search blindness. In e-commerce, online brands with physical locations can't afford to just be online famous. You have to win where your customers actually are, locally. Here's the cold truth. Over 78% of local mobile searches lead to an in-store visit or purchase. Yet, most e-commerce brands completely miss out because they don't optimize for local intent. Shocking, right? Imagine a customer is 2 blocks away searching best athletic wear store near me or eco-friendly jewelry shop downtown. If you aren't showing at the top, you've already lost that sale to a competitor. The good news here is that you can fix this fast. Today, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint on how e-commerce brands with physical stores can dominate local search results in e-commerce 2025 and turn foot traffic into real revenue. Let's get straight into it. So now that you understand what's at stake, let's dive into the powerful local SEO strategies that e-commerce brands must implement this year to stay visible, drive foot traffic, and grow both online and offline revenue. Step 1. Optimize your Google business profile. If you have a physical store, this is non-negotiable. In e-commerce, your Google business profile is your local storefront online. When someone searches for products nearby, your GBP decides whether you show up or disappear. Here's how to win. Use your exact business name, address, and phone number consistently across the web. Upload high-quality images and short videos of your store, products, and staff. In 2025, listings with engaging visuals get up to 40% more clicks. Add real-time updates like store hours, holiday closures, and local events. Use the post features to promote local offer or in-store exclusive. Think of it like this. Your profile isn't just for showing up, it's for convincing people to choose you over competitors. Step 2. Target local keywords with intent. Local keywords aren't just about adding city names. It's about understanding how your audience searches. Let's say you run a sneaker brand in Austin. Instead of just targeting sneakers for men, think like your local buyer. Search terms like best sneaker store in Austin, where to buy sneakers near South Congress, affordable running shoes downtown Austin. In e-commerce 2025, Google rewards content that matches hyper-local intent. Use these phrases in your product pages, meta titles, and even blog posts. Pro tip, use Google's Near Me, Trend Reports, and Google Trends to find rising local keyword terms before your competitors do. Step number 3, build local backlinks. Everyone talks about backlinks, but local backlinks are the secret weapon for e-commerce brands with physical locations. How? Partner with local bloggers, magazines, and online newspapers. Sponsor local events and get listed on their website. Get mentioned on your city's Chamber of Congress or community pages. In 2025, Google places extra trust in website with local authority signals. So if a local school website links to your eco-friendly product line, that boosts your local SEO far more than a generic blog backlink ever will. Step number 4. Create content that speaks to your area. Generic blog posts won't cut it. You need to produce localized content that shows Google and your customers you are the part of the community. You can see a few examples on the screen of how localized content might look in action. These not only improve rankings, but also build trust with your audience. In e-commerce 2025, trust equals conversions. Step number 5. Encourage reviews and engage back. Let's be real. People trust people more than brands, especially when they're choosing where to go or what to buy locally. Make it easier for your customers to leave reviews on Google. Offer incentives like a discount on their next visit or a loyalty point for each review. And don't ignore bad reviews. Reply professionally and try to resolve issues. It shows your brand cares. Study shows that in 2025, listings with 50% Indian reviews get up to 70% more local clicks than those with under 10. Step number 6. Don't ignore mobile optimization. It might sound basic, but over 85% of local product searches happen on mobile. If your site is slow, clunky, or hard to navigate, your customers will bounce and fast. Here's your quick mobile checklist. Your site should load in under 2.5 seconds. Navigation should be thumb-friendly. Product pages must display clear CTAs and map or location details if needed. In e-commerce 2025, Google Core Web Vitals also factor heavily into local rankings. So speed equals both rankings and revenue. Step number 7. Leverage AI for personalization and relevance. This is where things get interesting. Google's search algorithm is smarter in 2025, using AI to personalize local search based on context, behavior, and patterns. Use AI-powered tools to personalize your homepage based on the user's location, show store-specific promotions dynamically, tailor blog suggestions or products based on local weather or holidays. This makes your website not just relevant, but irresistible to local audience. Step number 8. Get listed on trusted local directories. You might think directories are old school, but they still work. Sites like Yelp, Apple Maps, Bing Places, and industry-specific directories help Google confirm your business location and reputation. The key? Make sure your NAP is exactly the same everywhere. Mismatched addresses confuse search engines and kill your credibility. Step number 9. Add schema markup for local SEO. Schema is a type of structured data that tells Google exactly what your business is about. In 2025, schema is critical to appear in search results like maps, review stars, and business panels. Use local business schema on your contact page and product landing pages. Include key info like hours, coordinates, price range, and accepted payment methods. It's a small effort that delivers huge visibility. Last but not least, monitor, measure, and iterate. Finally, local SEO isn't a one-time task. Use tools like Google Search Console to see how you're ranking for local terms, Google Business Profile Insights for map views, calls, and direction requests, call tracking tools to measure call conversions from local searches. By tracking these metrics, you'll spot what's working and, more importantly, where you are missing out. Now you know what it takes to dominate local search as an e-commerce brand in 2025. From optimizing your Google business profile to leveraging AI and local content, every strategy we covered helps you stay ahead in this competitive landscape. If you are serious about growing your physical store and online visibility together, don't wait. I'm Ria from EcomOptix, and we help e-commerce brands rank higher and drive real results. Book your free page one blueprint session today, link in the description. Do you want more no-fluff SEO strategies? Hit subscribe and stay tuned.